Okay, today what I'm going to do is I'll do some weathering on Donnie Allison's car. What I've got is just some acrylic paint, watered way down, pretty runny, so it's not going to cover a bunch. It's pretty transparent, but that's kind of what you want. I've got 2 sheets of paper, or stickers really, that are on here to simulate clean a windshield. So back then they were using those old, like what you see at a gas station, windshield cleaners. They're about a foot wide. That translates in 1/24 scale to a half of an inch. So I just cut out 1/2 inch sheets of sticker and put them over the top and kind of staggered them just to make it look a little different, where it's not just one straight line, because that's not how it's going to happen. I'll do a few rounds of this first, and then I'll pull the tape off and do a little bit more over where it is in front of Donnie, because obviously they ran some with the windshield after the windshield had been cleaned. So what I do is I get a wide brush like this and just get it in there. Be careful with this because it's going to kind of go everywhere. Kind of fling some of it off, and then just kind of do this. And I'm just going to put just some kind of streaks on it, and a little bit like that. And that's really all I got to do, honestly, is just about that much. And the stuff gets everywhere, so, you know, be careful around what you got. Like, you don't want to ruin any of your good stuff, but that's all there is to it. And what I need to do is to tone it down a little bit. I'm going to get another brush and kind of spread it backwards. Just kind of give it that raced feel. Because it's not going to be a bunch of dots. It's going to, you know, it's just where dirt or whatever has been kind of accumulated up. Rubber chunks, you know, coming off of cars. So that should be pretty good. I'm going to try to get some more in front here if I can. And the good thing about this is it's acrylic, so if you don't like it, just wipe it off, start over again. Get a little bit of this in here yet. There's some more up front here. Just trying to go to raced appearance, really. That's what you're really trying to do. So you let that dry. And I might just, let's see what it looks like with these off. Also, be careful when you tape, because I tried taping this earlier and I got into the pinstripe decal on the roof, as you can see. So it's partly gone, and number 1 on the side is partly gone. So not much I can do about it now. I'm just going to leave it. So if you can see that, that's kind of what the frame looks like. And I did the same technique on the side to do the mud, both sides, and I think it turned out pretty good. So calling Donnie Allison done for the build off, and Mustard on Kale and get him ready to go. Thank y'all for watching. If you want to, let me know what you want to see on the Kale Yarborough car that I build. Like, do you want to see me building stuff? Do you want to see me paint? Whatever you want me to do, just let me know, and I'll try to accommodate best I can. Thank y'all for watching.